You will be amazed when you see how easy it is to make this scrumptious Turkish dessert called saray tatlısı or palace pudding. It's a modern popular recipe, probably named after its beautiful look and delightful creamy taste. Legendary in taste as well as looks, this dessert can be made by anyone. It will be one of your favorite recipes. So let's get started. I have medium-sized saucepan and 1 liter of whole milk. I'm gonna add some of it and add the rest later. And as a thickening, I add half cup plus 1 heaped tablespoon all-purpose flour and 2 heaped tablespoons cornstarch. You can use corn or wheat. It will give a more silky texture. And finally, half cup plus 2 tablespoons sugar. Just whisk everything well. And then add rest of the milk and turn on the heat. Whisk continuously while cooking on medium-low heat until it thickens. After it thickens, you will be able to see it's bubbling. So it's almost done. I'm gonna add my vanilla powder. You can add vanilla extract if you like, and 2 tablespoons butter. Just whisk until it is incorporated and turn off the heat. And here is the trick to make a silky pudding. I'm gonna continue to whisk with a hand mixer for about 5 minutes. You can do it with a wire whisk too, but of course this will be more handy. And please don't skip this step. So I whisked for about 5 minutes, and now without waiting while it is still warm, I'm gonna transfer the pudding to my glasses. It could have been better if my glasses were not that long, so you can use smaller ones if you like. Since I didn't have, I'm gonna use this. And to take it out easily after it is set, we need to water the glasses, as you can see, and then throw back. And portion the pudding to the glasses. I just decided to pour it, but had some accident in the first one. You can use ladle if you like, but I was able to pour it when I helped it with a spatula. The hardest thing of all in this recipe is to wait the pudding to set, at least for 3-4 hours or overnight. So I closed it with a stretch film. Just wanted to show you how I evenly used it without wasting too much. And they are ready to go to the fridge. So the next day, now it's time to take out from the glasses. I was a little bit anxious myself because the glasses were too high, but when you move the pudding from the sides slowly, and it begins to come out easily after a time. It's really jiggly and shiny. I'm just going to cut it in half and dip the sides to chopped roasted hazelnuts by rolling, and it will be coated in no time. I tried one cutting to 3, but it wasn't a good idea. It really looks more gorgeous when it is high. So it's up to you. And I wanted to dip some of it to coconut flakes, and it was really delicious too. So I continue to take the pudding out from the glasses and shape them like this, and quickly begin to make my chocolate sauce, which is a ganache. You just need some heavy cream. I used about 2 heaped tablespoons. Just heat it in a small pot, and then add about 80 grams chopped bittersweet chocolate. You can turn off the heat after a time. Don't overcook it, and let the chocolate melt. I'm going to drizzle the ganache sauce over the puddings, spreading a little to the sides to make a nice circle. The ganache sauce really take this dessert to the next level with the taste and look, but you can also experiment with different marmalades, I think, or jellies. You might have some other ideas. Please do share them in the comment section. Here is the final one. My daughter Zeynep was recording a story for Instagram. You can follow me with the same name, Turkish Food Travel. And I finished my decoration with some pistachios. Now let's take a look how it looks inside. It was really silky and creamy, and you know what? Actually, I didn't taste at that time because I was fasting. I just got a nice spoon of it for filming and gave it to my daughter. It was the first time I made this recipe, but we really liked it. So give it a try and share your comments with me. Thanks for watching. I have many recipes like this. You can watch from the links. I will put them into the description box below. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.